In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google AdSense to Wix. If you're looking to start monetizing your website with display ads, adding AdSense through Wix is quick, straightforward, and entirely handled inside your site's dashboard. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm the app is installed so you can move on to fine-tuning your ad experience with confidence. First, open your browser and go to Wix.com. Sign in to your Wix account and land on the dashboard for the site you want to monetize. If you manage more than one site, make sure you've selected the correct one before you continue. This keeps everything organized and ensures the app is added to the right place. Once you're in the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find everything you need. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Apps. This section is your hub for enhancing your site with extra features and services. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can clearly see the Apps option. Opening Apps takes you to a space where you can manage what's already installed and discover new tools designed to extend your site's functionality. From there, click on App Market. The App Market is the catalog where Wix lists official and third-party integrations. It includes a search bar at the top and categories you can browse, but today we're going straight to what we need. Opening the App Market ensures you're pulling the integration from a trusted source and getting the latest version optimized for Wix. In the App Market search bar, type Google AdSense. You may also see results when searching for Google Ads, but you're specifically looking for the Google AdSense app that integrates display ads. Open the app's page to review the description and confirm it's the official listing. When you're ready, click Add or Add to Site. If prompted, confirm the site you want to use. Wix will install the app and place it in your site's dashboard or editor, depending on your setup. That's the installation done. A few quick tips to wrap up. Give ads time to appear. They don't always show instantly. Keep your site content rich and policy compliant to maximize approval and performance. Avoid overcrowding pages with ads to protect user experience. If the app doesn't show immediately in your dashboard, refresh the page or reopen the editor. And remember, interface labels can vary slightly across Wix products, but the path, dashboard, apps, app market, search, and ad remains the same.